Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background from your photo and from your video using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone. And the first one, I'm going to show you how we can remove background from our photo. If you want to remove background from your photo, you can go to the photo option and you can choose new. And then here you can choose the photo you want to remove the background from. For example, I'm going to select a photo from my pins folder, and then I'm going to remove the background from this photo. Okay, we can go to the count menu to remove the background automatically. You can just click on this icon and the background will be removed automatically from your photo. Now it's done, and you can click on the check mark, and if you want to save this photo to your device, you can click on export and the photo will be saved to your gallery. Okay, I'm going to go back to the InShot homepage, and then I'm going to show you how we can remove the background from our video. You can go to the video section, and then you can choose the video you want to remove the background from. I'm going to remove video from this folder, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, then you can click on the check mark, and here I'm going to show you how you can remove background from this video. Just go to the count menu, same with the photo, and then you can click on count. Or if you have like a green screen video, you can use the chroma feature to remove the green screen. Okay, now the background is being removed and you just need to wait until the process completed. When it's already 100%, you will be able to export the video, and then the video will be saved to your gallery. Okay, this is the final result guys. As you can see that the background has been removed from my video. Okay, after you remove the background, you will be able to replace the background with the photo or maybe the video that you like to be your background. And once you're ready to save it, you can click on export like this, and you can select the resolution and also the format. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove background from our photo and video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.